Morning guys, it is July 13th, 2023. So now I got a call from a guy I know. He says his AC in his rental house, it keeps tripping the breaker. So whatever. I said, let me go by and look at it. Don't keep hitting the breaker. There's tenants over there all pissed off. And we're gonna go over there. Maybe it's a burnt wire or something. Hopefully it's not a compressor.
Potter Street.
We'll see what's going on. He said the system's only 3 years old. I don't know who put it in. I used to know this guy. I used to go to car shows with him a lot. So, I haven't, hung out with a guy in years, but I know who he is. So we'll go over there and see if we can find out why he's tripping the breaker. See if we can fix it for the guy. It's kind of hot out. Once you have AC, it's hard to live without it, if you're used to it. If you don't have it, you don't really miss it, I know I wouldn't want to live without AC.
Turn left on Potter Street.
Anyway, we'll try to get in some shots over there. If I can. How the hell are you going to even get in there?
Right through there.
This is probably what's tripping the breaker. Watch out, the break disconnect right there. Show me which breaker's tripping. Hopefully it's just a burnt wire. But look how tight this thing is. Holy shit.
There it is.
Flipping. It's a Goodman. Show me what's tripping in the basement, okay? Is it a 110 or 220 breaker?
220.
It's a 220. It's got to be this unit. Let me check this out here first before we even turn it on, okay?
Is that hot?
Whoa. We're gonna step on this dog shit here.
Yeah, well, oh, be careful.
That's a big ass. You're not gonna let the dog out.
Oh, yeah. No.
He's inside, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's not mine.
Flip and blow my leg clean off. I step on one of them suckers.
Yep.
You're not gonna let the dog out.
No. I don't have a dog.
Wow, look at this fucking thing.
People upstairs.
I don't know if I can even get in there. Fucking Goodman from hell. That's spinning. How the hell are you gonna even get in there? Wow.
Want me to?
Huh?
Want me to pull that down?
Maybe I can lay on this and fucker.
Can you jump behind there?
No. Looks like somebody's already had this cover off of here. Hopefully there's a burnt wire in here. Fucking thing. Looks like it's a burnout. He's already got a fucking greenhorn, Guys are flipping greenhorn, put this thing in.
Yeah.
I mean, why would you put it in there? There's no space.
A long time.
Now, you got the breaker off?
Yeah, it's tripping. The thing I could do is take that piece of
Oh, this thing's all fucked up.
fence out of there.
Huh?
Best thing I could do is take that piece of fence out of there.
This is a fucking mess. Could be the capacitor, maybe. No wonder why it's got the common and the Herm backwards. It's got this wrong.
Got the common and what?
The common and the Herm are backwards. Maybe that's why it's not working. I got it wired wrong. Let's see if it's even fucking... Let's see if this thing's even any good.
Huh. Nobody's touched it. It's been a couple of years till anybody even touched it.
Does it trip like right away, or does it take a while for it to trip?
Couldn't tell you.
Now, when you flip the breaker, does the breaker switch right back off?
No.
Well, they got this fucking thing wired wrong. That could be why.
It stayed in.
For how long?
Then I put some I don't know, I put laundry in there, went down cellar, and got it, I checked it again, it was already dead. What I did was come upstairs,
All right, let's check this capacitor. Sometimes these are bad, you know. And if this is bad, could be this. We got a bad capacitor here, and they had it wired wrong. They had the flipping Herm on the common, and they had the other common on this part, which is not going to work right.
Why was it running for all these years?
Let's put a new capacitor. This capacitor is not working at all on the compressor side.
Yeah.
Open line. Let's put a new one in it and we'll try it, okay?
Okay.
One thing at a time.
Can you get you some water or anything?
No, I need a fucking beer, never mind water. 55-5, let's see if I got one. No, I'm only kidding. I'm trying not to drink and I'm trying to stop drinking, you know?
Oh.
Trying to cut back on the beers.
Yeah.
Let me see if I got a capacitor for it and let's try that. How do I get out of here? Can I go this way?
Right there.
Yeah, let me get what I need out of the truck. How long does he get you? Whoa!
Mix.
Whoa!
She won't bite you.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to trust her.
Come on.
You mind putting her on a leash, please?
Yeah, I need to get out of here with the Jeep. Come on.
Oh, so I got to move my car.
Yes, please. Sorry.
55-5, that's what we want. Well, we'll try it. I said the unit was only 3 years old. This thing's a lot older than...
No, I said it hasn't been serviced in at least 3 years.
Let's put a new capacitor in it and let's try it.
It's old.
Hopefully, this thing is like I'm hanging over the edge here.
No, it's old. No.
Hanging over the flipping edge though. Trying to get this thing to work. I know this guy, you know, he's the story of the red parrot. This is the guy, the story of the red parrot. He used to have a red parrot, right? You know this guy?
The owner?
Yeah.
Oh, red parrot. What do you mean?
Yeah, he used to have a red parrot, right?
Geez, you got me. I don't know.
Yeah.
You don't live there. You used to be in
This is
part
brown.
of
This is
India.
the fan.
Then he bought
Yeah.
a house in Dartmouth.
He used to live here. He had a red parrot.
Oh.
And so the common.
Huh.
Listen, this is the red as the common, right? Then the Herm should be the yellow. They didn't have it hooked up right. And then this other purple should go on a common. He had this flipping. We used to go to car shows with this guy.
Oh, he's got 3 big antique
Yeah,
cars.
he used to have antique cars, and we used to all go to the car shows with him. And he invited us over one day for chowder, chili. He made some chili, and he all invited us guys over that went to the car shows with him.
Oh, over here?
Yeah, for chili. And he had this flipping red parrot, right?
Yeah.
And every time the wife would get up and walk by, the fucking parrot would scream out, "Bitch!" Yeah, the parrot would scream as loud as it could, "Bitch," right?
Yeah.
So we're all looking at him like, how the hell did the parrot learn that, right? And she says, "I hate that parrot." That's what she's telling me. Yeah, that's a true story.
Yeah.
The story of the red parrot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the guy.
He's a nice guy.
That's a true story. The story of the flipping red parrot. Alright, go flip the flipping breaker on and let's see if it... Wait, let me put the cover on for us. Hopefully this thing runs. I get the hell out of here. One screw hanging on this thing. One screw from hell hanging this thing is even... just hanging on by one flipping screw. Let's see if I get a couple of screws in there. Yeah, the story of the red parrot. You never heard that one, huh?
No, I never heard that one. He's a nice guy. He just had a...
Fucking cat.
Just a little time ago.
Lady would walk by, the parrot would scream as loud as it could, "Bitch!"
Just a little time ago he had a stroke.
Did he?
Yeah, feel bad for him.
That's not good.
No. Feel bad for him.
Yeah.
Not too bad though. He come out a little.
He had a stroke, huh? Is he all lip hanging all over the flipping place and shit, or what?
Well, he was for a time, but now
Is he better?
He's been doing therapy and all this. And
So he's not too bad then.
he's walking again.
He had the flipping, he had the thing wired wrong. The capacitor was wired wrong. Hopefully it works now. We'll find out. Might be a burnt wire on a compressor. No, let's hope not. Hope I don't have to get in there, that compressor. The wires look like they're all there. Should do it.